All right, so here we have the isinwheel electric bike. So these guys just sent us a bike here, and we're going to do an unboxing. Lori's gonna take the isinwheel for a spin. First impressions?
I like it.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Sounds good.
So there it is, folks. The isinwheel.
If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Yeah, this is the M10. And this is a good starter introductory bike. You can get into this bike for really cheap. Not too bad on the assembly. A little bit longer than the others, like I said, but other than that, for the price, it's a great value.